Jump-starting a vehicle using the Noco Boost GB40 can be done in 3 simple steps. First, with the clamp assembly firmly connected to the 12-volt out port on Boost, attach the clamps to the battery, red to positive, black to negative. Next, power on the unit. The charge LEDs will chase, and the Boost LED will illuminate, indicating that Boost has detected the battery and is ready to jumpstart. Start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, power off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery.
Alright, so this is a new Row Viva. This is basically bringing Alexa into your car. You put this into your cigarette lighter, right? You connect it by Bluetooth to your stereo, and all you have to do is say, Alexa, and you can access all of Alexa's skills, control all of your home, smart home devices from the road wherever you are.
And does that work with just your stereo, or can you connect it to your phone as well?
It can connect to your phone as well.
And then how much?
This is $49, available today on Amazon.
Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the CBX16 cargo box from Yakima. The CBX16, as the name suggests, has a cargo capacity of 16 cubic feet, making it a great option for skis and snowboards up to 185 centimeters, or the cargo of up to 3 campers. The design of the CBX is unique to this box. The stealth-like texture and angular finish give it a sleek look alongside its functionality. The CBX has the capability to be opened from either the passenger side or the driver's side. Just don't open both sides at once. The mounting hardware on the CBX fits most factory and aftermarket crossbars, and you can adjust the placement of the hardware along this groove to accommodate a variety of different bar spreads. When you're ready to mount the CBX to your crossbars, the process is simple. Locate the tool supplied with the box to tighten down the larger screw located on the top of the mounting hardware. Tighten this screw until you hear a clicking sound like this. This sound indicates that your box has been properly torqued to the correct specification. The clamp should be positioned like this around the underside of your crossbar when finished. With the box installed, you're ready to open it up, load it up, and close it up. Then hit the road. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima CBX6.